Hi friends, Laura with Threaded Armor here, and I want to show you all about these wet bags. A wet bag is a waterproof bag that lets you take anything that's soiled, used, or wet, and it holds it safe in here so that nothing gets anywhere else. Usually for a disposable you would just throw it away, and you could put disposables in here, but for cloth you don't want to throw those away, you're going to take them home and wash them. So this is what we use. So this is a Kanga Care wet bag. Why I bring these in is because I really believe in the design. Not only is it big, but it collapses down very small if not in use. And the most exciting feature about it though is that every seam is hot sealed. So there's an extra piece of waterproof tape that's heat pressed onto all the seams here, which really means that you can put water in this thing and it'll hold like a bucket. Typical wet bags are just two pieces of rectangle sewn together, so they don't have any thickness to them. But this one has this round area at the bottom, which makes it dimensional, and that means that you can fit more in this. Its little snappy handle comes undone or goes there. You can just hang it on a doorknob in your bathroom. Depending on the size of protective briefs you're using, this thing can take about 7 inserts and briefs. That's kind of a lot. Let me show you what it's like if it has a full extended wear size large all-in-one in it. So that's a size large. This is a reasonably bulky product. Used to have a ton more space in there, so you could definitely use this all day. This wet bag has a lot of great features, but what it doesn't have is a dry compartment. Some wet bags have a dry area that you would use to almost like stage your next insert or your next brief in. And then you would put the used stuff in the bigger area, bring out the new stuff, put it, and again, cycle through. This is just one big inside area. But in my opinion, this is still worth it because of those seam seals. If you're a subscriber, you're going to get 10% off any of your accessories that you choose to ship with your subscription. So that brings the price of everything you see down. Odor eliminator, wet bag, all good. If you want to see more of our accessories, please subscribe because we're going to go over the Spray Pal system and the odor eliminator. We've got videos for all of them. You guys have a great day, and I'll see you soon.